In this tutorial, I'll show you how to top up your PayPal account from the M-PESA app. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, if you've not yet linked your PayPal account to M-PESA from the M-PESA app, then kindly check out the tutorial above. But now that you've already linked it, let's assume you want to top up your PayPal account and then deposit some money, maybe to pay something in dollars. So I'll open up my M-PESA app right here, put in my PIN. Once I do that, I'll need to scroll down. Obviously, make sure you have some money available. I'll scroll down to global payments and you'll see PayPal. I'll click on it. Once I do that, it's also going to prompt me to log in or authorize. And once I log in right here, it's going to take a little while, but once you set up initially, when linking, it's not going to give you any issues. Now, we have the option to see the balance, and I can actually check it, and the conversion. It's good that we can already see the conversion as it is in real time. So I have about 98 cents USD, but let's say we want to top up maybe something we want to buy for like $2-3. So let's click on top up account, and from here I'll go for something like 500 shillings and click on continue. And once I do that, you'll see that you'll get an amount in USD of 3.76, amount in shillings 500. The exchange rate is about 132.87. That is 1 USD is 132.87 shillings. And then I'll click on top up. Once I do that, you'll need to authorize the transaction on M-PESA. So there we go. We've an amount, deposit request successful. That's okay. Click on done. I'm going to get a bunch of messages. There we go, the top up, and then obviously the Safaricom transaction message as well is going to come in. So if you go back to the M-PESA app, you'll see a deposit has happened at about 10:37 a.m. and if I check my balance now, I have about 4.74. so that's what it looks like. I'm not sure what the conversion is reading. 611. That might be an issue somewhere, but that is how you top up or deposit money to your PayPal account from the M-PESA super app. I hope this video is of value to you. Thank you so much for watching.